We needed a specialist that was world renowned to come and work with us, which is why we chose Impact. What we recognised was our colleagues and our leaders needed more than just change, they needed support to carry on and develop the digital transformation that's required for the organisation. You know, we have achieved the business benefits in our first year, but not only that, much more. We've created an advocacy around change, so people actually want these events.
10 years ago when I first joined the co-op, we wouldn't have done anything like this. We'd have come to an event and just been given a load of information and gone away and expected to just kind of cascade what we thought.
For me, these change events are really important. Consistent message, so we're all clear when we go back to our teams.
I always come away with new ideas to go off and inspire the teams.
You get time to think and then apply. The biggest thing that I've learned is to ask the why and not the how, and then applying that to coaching when I go into stores and I speak to my people and to get them really to come up with the answers to their own problems is really empowering your people and letting them make their own decisions, which I think is really powerful.
The huge investment from the co-op was to think about their people and the development of how they were going to communicate and work with change in their stores. We had honest conversation workshops and then one-to-one coaching support for every area manager at the co-op.
The business benefits are huge. Working with Impact is about doing change with, not doing change to. It's as simple as that. You know, skill building, involving people in change, as opposed to, you know, corporate message, do this, do that, and active listening and involvement. You know, impact and then an ecosystem around of active listening has made a real difference.